Action!
I'm learning at age 56 so much about myself that I never even thought about before. It's amazing.
My life is art. My life is art has been the most fantastic experience for me.
Kenya Hakuna Matata.
So we meditate.
My purpose will be all around how can I feed the communities around me and build on that so that you can interconnect, and whether it's health, whether it's environment, whether it's helping other people find their purpose through food.
I think what's been really good is getting frameworks to think about it in a different way, and sitting down today and thinking about purpose and having a structure to actually say, well, passions, beliefs, love, gratitude, a lot of that stuff is overwhelming a fair bit.
My life as art was amazing. I got to spend so much time with beautiful young children in the refugee camp. It was honestly a completely different experience, and I would 100% do it again.
Okay, my life as art, to me, is a practice that helps you own your mind. It gives you tools for success.
Yeah, it was just, it was so many little nuggets of wisdom, along with a lot of jokes, and just amazing to see what makes him tick, and then him get to share that with us was just such a privilege.
So it's not like a prescribed system, but really more a philosophy that you can take, one bit at a time and apply to what makes sense for you right now.
And for my life as art, the common thread with our stories is a humanity and shared experience, and the fact that we're all one and we're all connected. And there was much to learn from Jal, and I found him just as interested in my stories as I was in his.
It is a complete holistic practice that is spiritual, it's practical, it's physical, it's emotional, it's really all-encompassing.
It's stuff that I like to engage with on a day-to-day basis, but have someone put in new words for me to give me greater understanding and greater depth to things that I like and engage with anyway was just incredible, and stuff that I'm never going to forget.